Hey guys, this is Andrew Drone here at MarineMax in Houston, Texas, and I want to take a minute to talk to you guys about our brand new 2019 Sea Ray 230 SLX. So the SLX, as you guys all know, is the Cadillac of the Sea Ray line. This thing is loaded out, it's comfortable, and it's ready for you to take home. I'll do just a quick walkthrough of this boat so you can see some of the key features we put on this boat. Starting up front here, we've got a little anchor locker, so it's easy to handle. Don't have to worry about pulling the anchor up and out. It's right there to go. So like all Sea Rays, this boat really maximizes its storage. You've got storage under every seat. And on this boat, you even have storage here in the console. So as you can see, this boat right there has the sea decking, but on this boat, it's all snap on and snap off. So if you want to, you can take it out and protect it when you're not using this boat. Coming back to the helm, you can see we've got the twin Simrad screens already installed. So this boat is ready to go. It's got all the information you could ever need. This year it's got the new upgraded Fusion audio. So this boat will really have some great sound quality. You and your family can all enjoy it. Moving from there, you can see you've got a nice little storage container here. So you can put your phones, wallets, keys, anything out of the way so you won't have any issues. So we'll move a little bit further back here, and you can see that this boat has the wake tower. So it's got the high tow point, it's got the good large bimini so you guys can be protected from the sun. Under here you have a small little cooler available that comes with the boat. So you guys can ice down your drinks, be comfortable out on the water. And so on this boat, in the engine hatch, it's got the Mercury 6.2 liter 300 horsepower motor. So this boat will scoot across the water as fast as you want it to. It's a really fun boat to take out and to ride on. So once again, this is the Sea Ray 230 SLX. It's an awesome boat for you and your family to use. It's very comfortable. And I'm Andrew Drone here at MarineMax in Houston, Texas. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to seeing you soon.